I've teamed up with Cloudways and they have given me a special promotion code just for you guys. It's Host.Promo without any spaces, and you will get a free trial. You don't even have to put in a credit card, and you'll get 20% off for the first 3 months. And to activate the promotion code and get the 20% off for 3 months, all you need to do is go to this sign up page right here and click I have a promo code, and go ahead and type in Host.Promo without any spaces, and you'll see the green checkbox, and you'll see at the top it says promo code applied successfully. And Cloudways is the best managed web hosting company out there, and you can easily scale your business. And unlike most cloud hosting companies, they provide 24/7 support, and they help manage a lot of the technical issues that you would run in with traditional cloud hosting providers. And it lets you easily, in just a few clicks, choose whether you're gonna run a WordPress site, Magento, Laravel, PHP app, and then you can select which cloud hosting service you want, such as DigitalOcean, Google Cloud, Amazon, Vultr. I highly recommend you guys take advantage of this exclusive promotion. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.